Okay. So everybody in? Where is CR? कोई नहीं है. So shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we have seen on how to make account on ThingSpeak. Okay. So we'll try to communicate with ThingSpeak using our board and our UNO board, and we'll see the operation. Okay, if you perform something, if you give command or the event what is happening over here, that has to be recorded on the ThingSpeak. So this was our goal. Okay, as a lab perspective. So I think you all of you know about the UNO board. There is a facility, not Node MCU. So there is a Wi-Fi inbuilt on that board. Okay, and there is a processor, there is input output, so many things are there. So just you have to communicate, you have to write some codes through the development software that is called Arduino IDE. So this is basically freeware. Okay, you can download from the internet and you can do your programming for any Arduino board. It also supports so many boards, but basically it's designed for the Arduino. Okay, so in Arduino there are so many boards. Okay, that is Nano, Max is there. Okay, depending upon your application, you have to choose. Suppose you want to glow a bulb only, or just control the bulb only, then you don't need to have bigger one. Okay, because that have so many inputs and outputs. So we don't want to spend so much money on that only if we have one application to control. Okay, so for our application, we are using Node MCU. Okay, which is having Wi-Fi inbuilt on that board. Or else you can do, you have to purchase a Wi-Fi module, then Arduino then you have to communicate, and then same thing will work as a this Node MCU. Okay, so we'll go and we'll see. First of all, you have to make an account on ThingSpeak, or you can use ThingSpeak or Adafruit or any third-party software which is providing us a space, okay, where our data can be stored. Okay, either you can build your own or we can use the third party. Okay, right, to have a complete system of IoT. Okay, either you can purchase a PC, you have to give 24-hour net, and you have to make that as a server. Okay, then we can use that server from anywhere in the world. Okay, so right now what we are using, we are taking a help of third party supplier like ThingSpeak, Adda Fruit, so many so many service provider is there. Okay, or you can use the Google, or you can use the Amazon also. Okay, now I think you have seen the how to make an account on ThingSpeak. Okay, so if you go, this is the interface. Okay, I think sir has discussed these things. Okay, just you have to make an account. Okay, using your Gmail ID, and this will look like this. Here you can have so many fields. For one account, you can have 8 or 9, I think. Okay, you can add visualization, you can add wizards also. Suppose you want to measure a water level, okay, using some sensors. Now this water level has to be shown, na? So if you build like a tank, okay, in visualization, and if you put the labels on the bottom and the top, and depending upon the water label, the data, whatever the sensor will read, it has to come on ThingSpeak, okay, or it has to come on the server anywhere in the internet, so that it can be recorded, and in the form of visualization we can see it, and we can analyze after. Means if you want to see the pattern of the labels ki ha din mein kitna bhar jata, raat mein kitna bhar jata, then what we have to do, we have to monitor it for 24 hour or 1 month at least. Now if we have 1 month data, then we can predict the pattern कि हाँ वो दोपहर में भरा रहता है, शाम को खाली हो जाता है, या दिन में खाली. Then we can program like that कि automatically it will turn on when your water level is very low. Okay, after predicting the data you can take some decision. Okay, कि हमारा मोटर कब ऑन हो सकता है और कब ऑफ हो सकता है. अगर हम दिन में ऑटोमेटिकली आफ्टर रीडिंग द डेटा 1 मंथ हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारा सुबह के समय में लेवल लो रहता है, देन व्हाट विल डू, विल हैव द प्रोग्रामिंग, विल डू द प्रोग्रामिंग कि ऑन 8 PM इट शुड स्टार्ट, एंड इट स्टार्ट द फिलिंग ऑफ द टैंक. 1 आवर और 2 आवर कितना देर लगेगा, कितना क्वांटिटी हमको वाटर का चाहिए, ये भी हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके, आफ्टर दैट इट विल शट डाउन. Again it will turn on 8 PM in the next day. Okay, so like that, if we have some data to visualize, then we can make a smart decision on that. So I'm just giving an example to you. You can do many things. Okay, you have many things to do, you can do, you can explore if you have interest. Okay, so this will this is the interface only. Okay, so now we'll try to on and off one LED. Okay, and the event of on and off will record or will store in this ThingSpeak server. Okay, so for that you need to have one node MCU, one breadboard. आपके पास रह भी सकता है, नहीं भी रह सकता है, एक LED और एक केबल जिससे आप कम्युनिकेट कर सको और प्रोग्रामिंग को बर्न कर सको उस पे. ओके, so till now any problem you have? Anybody? सब सो गया क्या जी?
हाँ सर बोलिए.
नहीं आपको नहीं बोल.
नहीं, स्टूडेंट से रिस्पांस आना बहुत कम चांस है, क्योंकि लोग देख मैक्सिमम लोग सोया हुआ रहता है, हमको भी पता है.
नो सर.
हाँ, अफगान है. हाँ सर, कंटिन्यू रहिए.
ओके, ऐसे मेरे को फील नहीं आता, लगता है मूर्ति लोग को पढ़ा है.
हाँ, मैं इसलिए लॉग इन करूँ. ठीक है.
Okay, so now we'll have we'll see what you have to do after that. Okay, just share screen. कंप्यूटर मेरा दिख रहा है?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to open the Arduino IDE, okay, so that we have the programming. Just I will demonstrate you, okay, what you have to do. Just I am opening. It will take some time because PC is slow. Okay. Meanwhile, if you see the IoT or if you see the subject, it's very big thing to learn. Okay, because in IoT you don't have to just understand the means the physical board. You have to understand how these networks are working. What are the layers inside? Okay, what are the security features we have, and how these things can be managed, because so many data will come in front of you within a span of time. Then how you can manage this? Okay, this is also very important. So this is the IDE, okay, and this is free. Okay, this is the development software. Yeah, here you can either you can go with the online, okay, or offline. In offline, you have to install this. Okay, just go to the Google. If you type Arduino IDE, a page will open. There are lots of options. Depending upon your system, you have to choose from there whether it's 32-bit or whether it's 64-bit, or whether you are using Windows 10, 8, whatever. Okay, and you have to install. After installing, you have to what you have to do? You have to configure your board, because in means the raw, if you download raw software, then it might be your board is not supporting to that. Okay, so you have to just update the library. Okay, you have to just update. If you go to the tools, see, if you go to the tools, okay, then there are option of choosing your board, on which board you are performing. Then there is a board manager. If you go to that, okay, now you see here there are so many. If your board what you are using is not showing into the in the software, then you have to download from here. Suppose we are using Node MCU, then we will type here Node MCU. Okay, it's showing now installed ESP8266. Okay, maybe if you have downloaded the new one, maybe it will not show. So then you have to install it. Okay, after installing, your problem will be solved. Second problem you might face of selecting the COM port, communication port. Okay, sometimes what happen, your COM port will not show. Okay, because of the driver missing. So you have to download the driver. After, if you download the driver, then this problem will also go. Okay, so first of all, two things you have to mark: selection of the board, and then your port is showing or not, from where we will dump our program into the board. Okay, so this is very necessary. If this will not work, your program is not going to dump. Okay, sometime it will not show, ये अनसेलेक्ट रहेगा. ओके, तो क्या करेंगे, हम डिवाइस मैनेजर में जाएंगे. वहां पे जाने के बाद, अभी टाइम नहीं है उतना शो करने का, जस्ट आई एम सेइंग जस्ट गो देयर, एंड देन you will see some error message is there. Okay, for some hardwares. Okay, you will see the list of the hardware there. So many hardwares will be there for the display, for the Bluetooth, for the so many hardware drivers are there over there. Okay, then you have to just see when there is a marking of error. Okay, it will show like in yellow color. Okay, so just you have to select and then update. Make sure your PC is online, connected with the internet. Okay, it will search automatically and it will do the job for you. Okay, you don't have to do much over there. Now this is the interface. So first of all, you have to think what requirement you have on your hand. So here for our application, we want key we'll give the command and our LED should glow and this event should be recorded. So first of all, you have to make a platform or you have to make a page from where you can give a command. Okay, so for that you have to have the knowledge of HTML. Okay, as you know, if you want to develop a page, then this is done. One second. Okay, so you have to have that page page. Okay, development of that page, you have to write some codes. Okay, first thing. Second thing, if you go for the programming point of view, then there are so many things that you have to include in your program so that our board, our ThingSpeak, and our that page make a synchronization. Okay, so whenever we give command, then this LED should receive and that has to have the response on the ThingSpeak also. Okay, so just see, I'm opening something. Uh, 1, 2. Okay, see, this is the program. Okay, so if you see the program, first of all, you have to include the libraries. Okay, so if you are using a ThingSpeak to record a data or to have a visualization, then you have to add a library so that our board or our board can send the data or ThingSpeak should receive the data. Okay, so you have to include some libraries. Okay, so first of all we use ThingSpeak जो उसका लाइब्रेरी है, देन आप अपना बोर्ड का जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके, एंड देन you have to have this web server. Okay, we will build a web server. Okay, so that our page, whatever page we will going to show or develop, that should be there on. Okay, then this is for you have the channel ID. Okay, on ThingSpeak, if you see the ThingSpeak, Okay, we have the channel ID. See this one. So when you are doing your channel ID should be here. Okay, channel number. Okay, then this is the credential of our Wi-Fi network. Okay, every time if you're dealing with the Wi-Fi model, then this line should come. If you're using ThingSpeak, then this will come. If you're not using, then this will not come, and this also will not come. Okay, only these two lines will come. This is the credential, this is your Wi-Fi name, and this is the password of your Wi-Fi network. Okay, and from here we are defining our server. These two lines, if you use these two lines, then you can make a server. Okay, then we are defining our what, from where we connect the LED. Okay, that means output pin. If we give our command, then so that our D6 pin should be go on and off. Okay, so this is for the what, connection of LED, on which pin you want to connect your LED. Okay, so like this we are defining. Earlier you have gone through this. Okay, so first of all we made that one 0. Okay, if we write digital, okay, this digital write D6 comma 0, then what will happen? D6 is going to be 0, and this is the baud rate we are defining initially. Okay, and then we are starting our Wi-Fi. Now if Wi-Fi is connected, then this will start running. Okay, we have put some delay. आप दे भी सकते हो, नहीं दे सकते हो. These are the optional things. Okay, now this testing. Okay, serial.print. If you anywhere if you write serial.print in bracket dot means it start pinging. Okay, it will start showing some dot in serial monitors. Okay, now for this लोकल आईपी जो आपका वाईफाई का रहेगा वो प्रिंट करेगा, है ना, सीरियल मॉनिटर पे. ओके, नाउ वी आर डिफाइनिंग और कनेक्टिंग विद द सर्वर ऑफ थिंगस्पीक. ओके, these lines you have to write. Okay, from here we are defining the, or we are handling the client one. Okay, डेटा को रीड करना है, एलईडी को रीड करना है. हाँ, क्या होगा जब वो 1 होगा, क्या होगा जब 0 होगा. Okay, this has to be, this line is for the ThingSpeak जहाँ पे हमको चाहिए डेटा. Okay, and okay, at the same time we are using command for that. Okay, we are deliberately, if you press 1, then what is happening? If you press 0 or if you press some buttons, what will happen? Okay, to your D6 we are defining here. Okay, that means if LED equals to 1, then this should run. Means this variable if going to be 1, then your digital write pin D6 is going to be 1, else it is in 0 mode. Okay, now for connecting a local host, that the server we are building, that page we are building, you have to write this one, these things. Okay, आपको अगर थोड़ा सा भी HTML का पता होगा, then for defining a page you have to write some code. On that page we are having some buttons. Okay, for buttons, वो बटन का पोजीशन कहाँ रहेगा, उसका कलर कितना रहेगा, वो किस लुक में आएगा, स्क्वायर रहेगा, गोल रहेगा, इस तरह की चीजें जो मतलब है वो आपको HTML में कोड करने का है, मतलब लिखने का है. ओके, सो HTML में टैग्स का ये रहता है हेडर, एक ओपन होगा एक क्लोज होगा, इन बिटवीन दैट यू हैव टू डिफाइन सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो लाइक दैट वी आर स्टार्टिंग एंड डिफाइनिंग आवर पेज. ओके, फिर नेम क्या रहेगा, विड्थ कितना रहेगा, वो पेज के लिए डिफाइन करोगे. फिर टाइटल्स का आप क्या दे रहे हो. ओके, फिर उसके जितने भी आपके ये सब चीजें जस्ट वो बटन्स के बारे में ही है. ओके, ऑन ऑन ऑफ. ओके, वी आर डिफाइनिंग कलर उसका रहेगा, कौन सा कलर है, कितना विड्थ है, ये सारे इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें दिया हुआ है. एंड सेम थिंग आप कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे थिंग स्पीक का क्रेडेंशियल है. ओके, जो आपका एपीआई की है, यू हैव टू गिव हियर इन दिस लाइन so that it can synchronize with the this page can synchronize with the thing speak. Okay, and ये उस last line you have to write for the ending of your HTML page. Okay, this is in every program. If you want, suppose you want to build a anything that can have a analog sensor. Okay, so just you have to define, बाकी चीजें सेम रहेगी. जो आर्डिनो के साथ आप जो करने वाले हो इंटरफेस और सेंसर का इंटरफेस, you have to write from these line you have to change because we are using digital pin, then we are defining like this. If you are using something else, then you have to write like this. Okay, यहाँ पे जैसे हम लोगों ने डिफाइन किया है यहाँ स्टार्टिंग में, यहाँ पे आपको एनालॉग के फॉर्म में डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा, बाकी चीजें सेम रहेंगी. ओके, नाउ जस्ट you have to upload this. Okay, on the board you can see board is connected. If I would show to you what is happening, it is going to be uploaded. होस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा क्या? It will taking some time. It's taking some time. Just wait. Meanwhile, you can ask if you have any problem. Now I am hoping everybody have understand. Okay, so I am expecting all of you in mini project you are building something with IoT. अरे सबको समझ में आया? बोलोगे कुछ कि सब चुप रहोगे? Just compiling. Okay. Wait for some time. So now it's starting the upload. Okay, uploading of this all code to the board. Okay. So uploading has done. Okay. So if you see the minute detail over here, your chip is what? ESP8266EX. Okay. Feature Wi-Fi. Oscillator कितना मेगाहर्ट्ज का है? 26 मेगाहर्ट्ज. MAC address is available. Okay. फ्लैश मेमोरी 4 MB का है. कितना बाइट से कितना बाइट राइट हुआ, कहाँ पे कितना परसेंटेज राइट हुआ इन द मेमोरी, यू कैन सी हियर माइन्यूट डिटेल्स आर देयर. ओके, कितना रेट के साथ वो अपलोड किया है ना, डेटा रेट. ओके, कैन सी हियर. ओके, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. नाउ व्हाट विल सी, अगर ये डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है देन यू कनेक्ट. ओके, फॉर 10 minutes only. Now what we'll do, we'll go and we'll check कि our board is communicating or not. Okay, with this. So what we'll do here, see in the corner there is a serial monitor. Okay, dummy serial monitor is there. Okay, we'll click here. One window will pop up. Now what we have to do, we have to press a reset button into the board. Okay, if I make you to see, दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन पे?
यस सर.
बोर्ड दिख रहा है? बोर्ड
एक अलग से CMC करके आया है.
नहीं, कॉम तो वो तो सीरियल मॉनिटर आप प्रेस करोगे तो आएगा. ओके, मेरा दूसरा मतलब अकाउंट से मैं लॉगिन किया हूँ. आपको कुछ दिख रहा है क्या
नहीं,
कैमरा?
उसमें आपका फोटो आ रहा है. उसमें आपका सिर्फ नहीं, उसमें आपका फोटो आ रहा है सिर्फ.
ओ, फिर आई हैव टू मेक दिस. क्या करना होगा इसको? इसको होस्ट बनाना होगा क्या? क्या मेकिंग होस्ट दिस अकाउंट.
एक तो कंप्यूटर वाला स्क्रीन दिख रहा है और एक में है ना आपका फोटो सिर्फ आ रहा है. शायद मोबाइल वाले में सिर्फ फोटो आ रहा है जो लॉगिन किए हैं.
अभी आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं, अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है.
कैमरा नहीं आ रहा?
नो सर, नहीं आ रहा.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया?
सर उसको होस्ट बना दीजिए, जो नेक्स्ट जो आपका है ना उसको होस्ट बनाइए, उसके बाद उसका कैमरा ऑन कीजिए।
अरे